Hey, what is up with y'all, man? It's your boy D-Food, aka Mr. Sissy, aka Sissy Chocolate, and I'm reacting to another banger, another video for the team, man. Hey, today, man, we finally back with a rock reaction. Southern rock, yeah. Hey, everybody know Lynyrd Skynyrd, man. Free bird, but this live, man. I hope I don't get, they should let me post it or whatever, because it's live already. It been filmed, everybody can see this. But Free Bird, man, 1977. Don't even feel like that song at all, man. I think this gonna be my first time seeing Lynyrd, but I never seen him before. But I gotta get to the video, man, because I only got 15 minutes of screen recording time, because I ain't verified yet. So let's get to the video, man. What's in my earrings, bro? Ah, man, I forgot to start the screen record. 3, 2, 1, let go. Bro, you can just tell, bro, this is the era of just being free, bro. Like, not a care in the world. They just out there, you feel me, grooving. They got the hair all out going crazy, man. Got the guitars out there, man. Hey, they living their best life right now.
Thank you. If I leave here tomorrow,
I ain't gonna pause too much more. Soon my boy hit that first note, crazy, they going crazy out there, man. And he sound like he actually sound, bro. Like, they going crazy, man.
would you still remember me? I must be traveling on now, 'cause there's too many places I've got to see. If I stay with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. I swear I am.
Didn't I tell y'all, man? He said if he free as a bird, man. He said he swear he is, man. Free. You know how a bird is, flap, floppity. Hey, till they get hit by a plane. But might not get through this whole video, but the way they just scanned them, all them girls like that, bro, they look all the same to me. I'm sorry. They look all the same to me. Sorry.
Billy Powell, piano.
Hey man, so this how they were doing it back in the day? Brawlers out there, man. Y'all, I know y'all saw old girl, man. Shirt on, no bra. Hey, don't ask me how I can tell, I'm a dude. Y'all do, I know y'all saw that, man. Brawlers and this, bra with no shirt on, that's how they were doing it back in the day? Damn, she must have got crazy back there. Man, she must have got crazy, man. Must have got crazy.
Been a sweet life, oh yeah, yeah. Though this feeling I can't change, but please don't take it so badly, 'cause the Lord knows I'm to blame. If I stay with you now, well, things just couldn't be the same.
Alright, man, I'm letting y'all know right now, man. I ain't gonna get through this whole video, man. But I'm gonna post what I got, y'all best believe that, man. Bro, he just up there, just. I can't change. Whoa. Like, bro, come on, bro. Like, he like, I'm getting paid anyway. I already got the sold out, man, up. Bro, come on, bro. Give him some hype up there, man. He did. Change. God damn. Y'all see many people out there though? Jeez. Can y'all imagine body to body like that? Damn. My boy sold them motherfucker out. Damn. See, I'm at 10 minutes already, y'all. I only got 5 left. There we go. My boy going too fucking crazy up there, man. Somebody stop him. Golly. My boy. Then he, you feel me, everywhere. He can't even see nothing. But he don't care. Cause he living free, man. Golly. Alright, man, I had to stop there right there, man. I only got like a minute and a half left for video time, bro. But don't worry, by the end of this, I don't know how many subscribers you gotta get to get verified. But by the end of this year, I have 1K, cause why wouldn't I have 1K? But that's it for the video, man. Y'all comment, ooh, I only got a few minutes. Y'all comment more rock songs down below, less than 10 minutes, alright? Less than 10 minutes. Y'all comment that down below. It's your boy D-Food, aka Mrs. S, aka Sexy Chocolate. I thank y'all for watching. And I just react to another banger, another video for the team, man. I'm out. I'll catch y'all on this one. And this will be dropping tomorrow morning. So y'all be on the lookout, man. And if you ain't subscribed on here, subscribe to the channel, turn the post notifications. And I'm out. And look at that, I only got 30 seconds left. We just made it, baby. Even though I didn't get to the full video. Hey, I did most of it. I'm sorry about that, man. It's not my fault, man. But I'm out, man. Don't forget to comment down below, all right?